Human, grab a cartridge from the tray and let's get to work.
Hello everybody, welcome to Job Simulator. Kinda completed to the radius off screen. My bad. I forgot to film it. But nothing. Okay, so I'm thinking I go office worker.
There's never a dull day in the old cubicle farm. Hello, human. Welcome to an accurate simulation of office worker. Take a look at this board for instructions.
I had to get out of here. I had to get out of here.
Hey, that was a pretty nice throw.
I don't care. I had to get out of here.
Come on.
Get me out of here. Get me out of here.
Hey, what the?
Oh, I thought
It's working.
this
You'll
is
get
a
a promotion.
glitch.
Maybe.
Does that? It has less physics.
Great job.
So now for this first scan, take it off for second scan, then it gets reduced gravity.
Working no play makes Job Bud happy. It's working, and you'll get a promotion. Maybe.
Hey, what the? My glasses. Hey, that was a pretty nice. Why is there not food through this? Stand up.
And yes, I did get this idea inspired from Captain Sauce, and yeah.
Who threw this? Stand up. Who did it? Hey, what the? Why is?
Oh man. 2 weeks. Okay, so that's enough goofing about. I think I just...
Workers would traditionally start their day with an addictive liquid stimulant.
Coffee. Bottoms up.
Also, workers would
Can't get distracted. Okay.
Now you're ready to start your day. It's time for
computer. I don't know what I expected. Computer.
The computer is the most important facet of the office, with humans and safety being a close second and third. Email was an inefficient form of communication popularized in the mid-1990s.
You're inefficient. I can't open any of these? My computer's...
The freedom of Inbox Zero. Here comes Supervisor Bot. Better look busy.
Okay, everybody, let's make some
business.
Johnson, I'm counting on you to
Paradigm shift.
those
Optimizations.
you can count on me. That's what I like to hear. Hey, human,
That's
you've been doing a
good
Job.
I've been thinking about giving you a
Promotion.
In fact, if nothing goes wrong in the next 10 seconds, the job's yours.
My job.
See, that's what I like about you. You're a
Rebel.
always thinking
Outside the box.
Take this.
Humans?
The promotion's
Well,
yours.
I need this. I want the copy. Thanks. I need a copy.
Looks like he's got more work for you.
Hey, that almost hurt.
That almost hurt. Ooh, hoo-hoo. Ah, that almost hurt.
Come on, that almost hurt.
Hello, human. I am BossBot. I noticed you've logged in, so I'm here to give you your first task of the day. We need to bring some new bots on board, so look through your resumes and find 2 bots to hire.
Ah, that almost hurt. Pretty nice throw. Who threw that? Oh, come on. That almost hurt. Come on.
You heard them.
That almost hurt.
Stand up for the job. Howdy, neighbor. Who did it? It's not 5 o'clock yet. Why is it not 5 o'clock yet? Hey, why is it not 5 o'clock? Pretty nice throw.
Hey, that almost hurt.
Oh, a message.
Hey, what?
Howdy, neighbor. Oh, come on. Howdy, neighbor. Come on. Hey,
Hey,
what the?
that almost hurt.
Dizzy. Hired. You. Okay.
This is the happiest day of my life.
You're all hired. All hired.
Can't believe it's my first day.
We're all hired.
Come on.
Have you seen the latest sales report?
No.
This isn't
Hey,
good.
that was a pretty
Load
nice
up
throw.
the old
Let's sell
spreadsheet
reports.
program and fix these numbers.
Not entirely sure how legal this is, but okay. Whose fault's that? That's not my fault. It's not my fault. That's enough. Yep, that's the profit, alright.
Wow, you cook those books like a professional
Gourmet chef.
Come
Go,
on.
mama. No one cares.
It's time for lunch. At midday, humans would interact with primitive robots known as
Vending machines.
to obtain food.
Obtain food, huh? Well, I mean, if I were to choose, the burrito seems like the most food.
Looks
delicious.
Enjoy your meal, human.
Oh man.
Hey, coworker, can you get me a...
Candy bar.
Sure, this is gonna work. Here,
Thanks, coworker.
you're welcome. I know, I'm so good at this. Gotta feast. Chips, no.
Hey, coworker, over here. Get on your computer and check out these hilarious pictures.
Probably a little wolf. Probably wolf.
Hello, human. I'm looking forward to your presentation today on all of the
Business.
that we did in the last week.
So BossBot wants you to do a presentation. You'll need to make some slides. Time to learn about an ancient human technique called
Winging it.
Okay. Presentation. Okay. Oh, that's what. I'm dumb. Subtitle motivational. So like that, visual, okay. Professional. And then it's like deceitful. And cheesy. Call to action. Okay. It's gonna be the best presentation ever. Glasses.
So, you ready to go through this presentation? Here's the clicker. Use the button to go through your slides.
Can be good enough. Maybe not you, but you two definitely can.
Fascinating figures.
Memes. I don't know where I'm going with this.
Interesting concept.
So real, you don't even know how real this is.
Interesting.
Nice job, human. That was very business.
Hey, human. Bot number
10110.
is retiring tomorrow. We wanted to give them a parting gift. Everyone's pitching in. Why don't you give me something you'd like to contribute? Oh, how thoughtful. I'm sure
What?
they will.
Appreciate.
It.
You just stole that. Now give it
Anyway,
back.
do you think you could type up a quick card to go with this?
Resume, thank you note, also my birthday note, haiku, apology note, love letter, application note, resume. Yeah, resume. Please hire me. I can job and have valuable job skills.
That looks good. I'll handle the rest. Thanks for helping out.
Why is it not 5 o'clock yet?
I don't know.
Hey, that almost hurt.
Things aren't going too well. We need to find a...
Yeah. Let's just hide this guy. His mustache, generation and fancy bot embellished outfit. I don't like this guy. Cowboy bot, old-fashioned southern, bandit bot, sketchy and shifty. You know, I'm thinking that we keep cowboy bot and bandit bot just because, you know, cowboys and bandits is kind of a old thing.
First my stapler jams, and now
Yes,
this?
Mine.
I can't believe it. Hired and fired in the same day.
Yep. I stole your hat. Oh.
In the office, co-workers would converse around the liquid dispenser.
Man, did you hear that?
Bot 2272.
Check out these photos of my many children.
Hey, Bill, did you see the
Sports event.
on TV last night? It was pretty.
Touchdown.
Touchdown. Your voice just changed in like half a second. I don't know, this, I guess. Here.
Now isn't that sweet?
Give me some more water. No! Give me the water!
Yeah, hey, look, I've got some papers I need you to shred. It has to be you for legal reasons. I don't really want to get into it. Here, just look in the case. Shred everything. Just get rid of it.
Money. I ain't shredding money. Must be real money you joke.
See, here's the other thing. I just found out that for insurance reasons, you can't actually have this much stuff in your cubicle. So, you're going to need to get rid of some of that, too.
You say so. None of this stuff is difficult. I'll go to view your glasses or something. I wish I had one more pair of glasses.
Alright, that'll do. Turn off the shredder when you're done. Ooh, that was a close one. Alright, carry on. Nothing to see here.
Right there. Let that bot get away.
Give me the hat. Oh no.
Hello, human. I am CEO Bot. Here's the thing. Boss Bot needs to go away for a while, and you've been doing a really good job. So I'd like to offer you a promotion.
Alright, go.
Happy
Promotion.
to
Human.
happy
Promotion.
and blow out the candles.
I wish. $5.
Sorry, human. Looks like there's not enough cake for you.
Mine.
Here you go, human. I got you a
Present.
What is it? It's what fancy present thing.
Now that you're the boss of this department, I'll leave it to you to do the honors.
I'll go home.
Yay!
Woohoo! It's time to go home! Good job, everyone! Let's get out of here before boss tries to stop us!
woo! Yeah!
Yahoo!
Hooray! It's 5 o'clock. Work is over.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to ask you to come in on
Saturday.
No.
There you have it, human. I hope this has given you a better idea of what it was once like to office worker. Well, you know how to get back to the museum if you want to. I'll just be hanging out here while you do whatever you want.
Alright guys, that's enough for Job Simulator today. Let me know in the comments if you liked today's episode and if you have any game recommendations. Bye.